Hey, good morning guys. Welcome to Nique. Good morning guys. I'm up early. Today's Saturday. What is today's date? The 17th? Yeah, Saturday the 17th. So I'm getting ready to leave my house. I'm heading to the nail shop. Me and Rash, we're going out later. We have plans. So we're gonna be linking up with some friends and going out and having a good time. So I'm gonna go get my nails done, my toes done, because you guys know I work Monday through Friday. So I didn't have any time to do it yesterday, because once I got off work yesterday, I had to do my hair. Yeah, so guys, check out my install. My curls kind of fell. Ooh, my AirPod. Oops. Hold on guys, my AirPod fell. Yeah, so yeah, just put it in my ear. Okay, yeah, anyways, so I'm about to head to the nail shop and get my feet done, my nails done, because we got plans later. And yeah, so I'll see you guys later on. So guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about Nique. All right, come on, let's go guys. Yeah guys, so I'm about to head out. It's gonna be about like a 45-minute drive. I need to extend this a little bit. Yeah, it's gonna be about, it's so dark, I'm sorry guys. Yeah, so it's gonna be about a 45-minute drive where I go to do my nails here in Houston. I don't know, I haven't found any places around my area where I live, so I have to drive 45 minutes to Katy to get my nails done. That's the only place that I like. I tried a couple places after that and I did not like it. I didn't like the way they did my nails, so I'm not pleased. Don't get me wrong, sometimes this place here, sometimes they get on my nerves, but they do a good job. So I'm just go back there and yeah, call back my bestie Charlene. She just called me. Let me call her back. Hey Siri, call Charlene bestie. Put my phone on the charge. And yeah, so that's about it. I'm probably gonna stop and get something to eat. Probably stop at the store, get some soap and stuff. And that's about it. Hey bestie, what you doing? Oh shoot, okay. Call me back then when you've done. Alright, boo. Yeah, I'm about to go to the nail shop, so you can call me back. Okay, boo. Bye. Bye. Yeah, so Shark gonna call me back. She's about to hop in the shower and stuff, so. Alright, let me was waiting for the car to warm up a little bit, so I was just chit-chatting with y'all. Guys, my life has been changing so much. Like, it's so much changes going on in my life, and I feel like God is doing that. I feel like God is also, let me turn this radio down. I also feel like God is removing certain people from my life. Like, I don't know, it's just like certain people come around and then, you know, they're really just not there anymore. And sometimes you question it, but I don't question things anymore. Things happen for a reason, and I don't know. I don't think I'm made to have, like, you know what? We're not even gonna talk about that today. We're not gonna talk about that today. That's gonna be for another video. I'm gonna do a video on that, on, you know, how I feel about friendships and stuff like that. Yeah. But that's for another day. Today's a good day. It's beautiful outside, nice and sunny. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day. I'm gonna go get my nails done. I'm so excited about getting my nails done because they are long overdue. And it feels good to get out the house, because if you guys know, I work from home. So it feels good to get out the house. And yeah. Anyways, people, I'm gonna need to put in the address, because I don't know how to get there on my own. After all this time I've been going to that nail shop, I still don't know how to get there. Let me put that in. Good morning. Okay, so the GPS is saying about 40 minutes. So I'm about to put it in. Told you it's about 45 minutes to an hour. I have enough gas, thank God. Rash, where you going? Is there Rash there? Where you want?
You got gone already, you know?
Where you want? May I wait for the car one more on a vlog? May I talk to my people? May I talk to Nique Nation? I want to tell. What ya? What ya? So you come smile up on my things for?
Oh, just like.
You miss me?
Yeah, miss you, man, but me think I reach where you already.
Reach?
How long me head door open and lock? So I say, what? Be gone. Be out there.
Babes, that's me.
I want peeps. Just wake up. You see me, I say?
You can hear it in your voice, see it on your face.
So you go, man.
Where you gonna know?
Just come out to get some sun. And then I go start edit the thing there. Anyway, it will take you all day.
Yeah. What's the editing thing gonna? You want to be videographer?
I don't want to be, I am.
Oh, wow.
I am.
Whoa, my brighty.
I go and talk to your people.
You want?
People, make sure you talk to them.
What? Yeah, so we about to leave now. The car warm up. So I'll get back with y'all. I'm about to get on the highway. So I'll get back with y'all once I get to the nail shop. I wish they last day afloat. Me the captain of the boat, them in this, so them woulda bury me below. Them can't get a sniff off of the weed when me smoke. I will pretty serious like the judge in the court. I with them not for try provoke. Tell us I was powerful, like the president. Deep thoughts on me up in me elements. He said them the real too. I did evidence, never lose my way, no. But the natives always remember, when you rise up at thanks you feel tell Jack how the streets cool like the time in December. If you don't read the circle, you know if you enter. Houston, y'all. Okay guys, so I made it here. I'm here at the nail shop. 45 minutes drive. Thanks to my bestie, she kept my company while I was driving. But I'm about to head inside the nail shop, get my pedicure, and I think I'm gonna get a full set. I think I'm just gonna do something plain today and simple. But yeah, not sure if I'm gonna record inside the nail shop because people just stare and look at you like you're weird when you're vlogging. But I'll try to see if I can get a couple clips while I'm in there, but you guys just stay tuned. Alright, so I'm here. Get ready to walk in. I hope they're not packed. Usually they're packed and it's a Saturday. So hopefully they are not packed.
Hi, I'm out today.
Hi, I need to get a pedicure and a full set.
I can follow you, okay?
Okay.
It's on your nail first, okay?
Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Maybe something to drink?
No thanks, not right now. Thank you. Alright guys, I'm here. Right. You're stupid. I'm done with you. I think I'm gonna have to put some more curls on my hair later. Did you see my hair? You saw the hair. It's on my story. You did it? Oh. Oh, I put up the one on my story with my hair. You want to see a bestie? Lock it up. Girl. I'll turn this off. So yeah, guys, I'm just waiting to get my nails done. So just stay tuned. My nails. I'm still doing my nails done, but once I'm done, I'll be leaving. I think I'm gonna stuff at Target, but I'll catch up with you guys. I just wanted to show you guys a quick clip. I'm getting my now I'm getting the hot towel treatment. It feels so good, you guys. It feels so amazing. Here we go. Okay guys, so I'm leaving the nail shop. I just got my, hold on, let me show y'all. Just got my nails done. They look so pretty. Just got something simple, short, white, because I have to work and I have to type at work, so I don't want nothing too long. And I got my toes done, y'all. Look, yes honey. Yeah, so I'm heading back home. I was gonna go to Target, or I was gonna go to the supermarket, but I don't think I'm gonna go today because, hold on y'all. Yeah, trying to figure out a way to set the camera up. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, so I don't think I'm gonna go to Target. I'm starting to get a little bit of gas pain in my stomach. I could take this mask off now. And I feel like I just need to get something to eat and go home. Alright, like I said, me and hubby got plans for later, so I kind of want to go home, kind of chill for a little bit. You know, I only get 2 days off, so I'm trying to relax and enjoy my day offs. But sometimes it's hard to do that when you're a mom and a wife. You got to run around, grocery shop, get the kids ready for school. But you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to just do the supermarket thing tomorrow, which is Sunday. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna do it tomorrow because I don't think I'm gonna be too tired. Yeah, I might just go tomorrow. Yuri got lunch and stuff for school. I just need to probably pick up a few little snacks or something for him. But yeah, so I hope I don't have that so hard. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna just head home. I think I'm gonna stop at Chick-fil-A. It's hot. It's kind of hot today. It's not that bad, but ooh, it's 98. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, anyways, so I think I'm gonna go to Chick-fil-A, get some lunch, and I think I'm going to head home. We don't have no milk at the house. I always have to have milk in the house. I don't feel like going to the store. I don't feel like stopping at the store right now. Let's see. I don't know. But anyways, guys, I'm about to start driving. I have to do my makeup and stuff later. Yeah, so I'm gonna start driving. I'm gonna go home, grab something to eat, go home, relax, chill for a little bit before I have to start getting ready. And I think that's about it. They didn't want me to vlog inside the nail shop, so I didn't really get to get too many clients, but I snuck a few, you know. But there was like no recording or whatever. I don't know why, but which is fine too, because people just stare when you're recording. But anyways, so to head home. So yeah, I'm about to get on the highway. So I'll see you guys once I get to Chick-fil-A. Yes guys, I am here at Chick-fil-A. I'm about to get this food. I am so hungry. I have gas in my stomach. It hurts so damn bad. And yeah, I'm ready to get some food. Can you excuse me, sir? Yeah, tell me if we go in another lane here. But yeah, stand up another way. No, I'll lick you down on one. Okay, can I get a Southwest salad?
For your dressing?
Polynesian sauce for the dressing. And can I have that with hot grilled chicken, I believe? Yeah, I think that's what he wants.
The hot chicken?
Yes, the crispy. I mean, no, the grill. A hot grill, I'm sorry.
Okay.
And then can I have a spicy chicken deluxe with Colby Jack cheese, add bacon, and no pickles.
For your drink?
Can I have a Sunjoy? And can you make that a large, please? Just the drink?
Or just a drink?
Yes, ma'am.
What else?
And then can I have a 12 count, a number 3?
And for your drink?
High C fruit punch mixed with lemonade. And let's see.
Okay.
Okay, and can I have 2 of your brownies, please? Actually, can you make that 3? I'm sorry.
Okay.
3 brownies. And can I have Polynesian sauce for the meals and Chick-fil-A sauce? And buffalo sauce too as well, please. And that will complete my order, ma'am. Thank you. Have a good day. Thank you. So guys, I finally made it to Chick-fil-A to get this food. I'm so hungry. It's, what time is it? It's 1 o'clock. It's 12:57, so it's about 1 o'clock. I am starving. I'm hungry. I gotta eat like ASAP or else I'm gonna have issues, okay? With my stomach. Let me put my phone back on the charger. So yeah, I'm just gonna get my food now. I thought about it. I was gonna stop at Target and HEB to get some groceries and some stuff, but I'm not gonna do that. I was thinking about it. I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm not feeling a little bit of pain in my stomach. Them gas pains be hurting. I just need to get home, eat, relax, shower, do my makeup, get ready for tonight. And yeah, that's about it. But I'm here at Chick-fil-A getting this food. So once I grab this food, I'm heading home. Let me have to go drop to a curl in that area. The curls are still there, but they kind of dropped a little bit. So I have to do that. And yeah, so that's really about it. I'm just gonna get my food and head on home. Guys, it's so funny because every time I come to Chick-fil-A and I order salad, Rash don't like the dressing, so he always get Polynesian sauce. So the man just asked me, he was like, what kind of sauce for your dressing for your salad? And I was like, Nique? Yes. Thank you. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Okay, so I had to pull over for a second. So yeah, he just asked me, hold on, let me pull this window up. Yeah, so he just asked me, what type of dressing for the salad? I'm like, I just didn't want any dressing. I said Polynesian sauce. He's like, the dipping sauce? I'm like, yeah, the dipping sauce. That's what I want. They always act weird when I ask for the dipping sauce for the salad. They're like, what? But yeah, I mean, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But yeah, they always do that to me when I go to Chick-fil-A. Damn, I didn't even check my food. I need just to pull over and check my food before I try to drive off. Hold on, guys. Be right back. Hold on. So yeah, I'm heading on home. I like my nails, y'all. It came out cute. I think she did one of my toenails a little bit longer than the other one, but I wasn't gonna stress them out today because God didn't want me to stress them out. If I'm paying my money, you gonna do my shit right. I'm sorry. So yeah, I be stressing them out at the national. Now I don't be stressing them out. But if I don't like it, I'm gonna say something. I'm not gonna just not say anything and then go home and then you guys have my money and then I'm unhappy. No, I don't think so. So yep, that's about it. Going home, tear this Chick-fil-A up, because your girl, I know I said about 50 times, your girl is hungry. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys once I get home. We'll check in and see what Rash is doing. More than likely, he's probably editing. Yeah, chances are he's probably editing, or he's freaking watching his show, Murdoch Mysteries, or whatever it's called. But yeah, so I'm going home to my baby. Baby, I'm coming home. Yeah, well, let me stop playing. But yeah, I'm going home now to my baby. Stop and got lunch for us, so we can just relax today. Today is such a nice day. Like, it is so beautiful. You guys look outside. It's so nice and sunny and bright, and it's not too hot. It's a little hot though, I ain't even gonna lie, but it's not too hot. We've had days where it was like 104, 102, but it's only 97 today. So not too bad, not too bad, not too bad. But yeah, I'm just driving through this neighborhood. I like this neighborhood. Their houses are really nice. Really, really nice. The only thing I wouldn't live over here, because yeah, baby, this is floodland. They call this area Meyerland, or Meyer, not Meyerland. It's a Meyerland, but they should call it floodland. Okay, because whoa, baby, when we have hurricanes or if it rains, all these people, all these houses y'all see right here, those houses get flooded out. So yeah. Oh man, I forgot they're fixing the road. I'm gonna have to go detour. Ah, shoot, I'm gonna have to detour because they're doing some construction. See, they're doing construction on the road, so I'm gonna have to just go this way. So yeah, yep, people. So check back in with you guys once I get home.
Yeah, me say me like it.
You like it?
Yeah, me like it.
When the whole summer sun come out, hug me over, watch her.
Cause I missed her.
Oh, you miss me?
Yeah.
That's supposed to be a big head papa though. Watch her. Rushing up bed and eat soup. What go Rush?
Yeah, man, I watch me look a show, you know?
So you eat soup, I'm telling you I bring food for you.
Yeah, man. What else they have for you?
How was that in there?
Potato.
Oh, a potato. Man, I drink soup. Watch them soup here, an idea, yeah. Oh, we watch Murdoch. I just tell the people them say Murdoch over there watching them. I say, we'll go and see what Russia do. Either I watch Murdoch Mysteries or I edit. Yeah, people, so I finally reach home. About to go eat. Leave on a thank you guys for keeping my company today. But I'm gonna go eat, okay? Because my belly is hurting. I got gas, all that good stuff. I need to wash my hands. And yeah, so I'll get back. I'll tune in with you guys